Let me see your nipple. Oh, your nipple is bigger. Oh, bigger. Oh my goodness, my baby. My baby is almost become a mommy. Priya. Hi, Priya. Priya. Yeah, let me check your baby. Oh, look at your nipple. Your nipple is bigger and bigger. Swollen. This is my Priya. My pregnant GSD. Hi, Priya. You're tired? Look at your tummy. Your tummy is bigger na. Oh. You are 5 weeks pregnant then? 5 weeks? I think 6 weeks. 6 weeks. Reggie. I'm tired. Your nipple hurts. Your nipple hurts. It's okay. It's okay, baby. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Your dish is fine. Kiss come for it. Kiss mama. Hi. You're fine? Huh? You're fine? Good. Open legs, babe. Open legs, babe. Mommy will check your tummy. Open legs. Oh. Oh, look at your nipple. It's Priya. Priya. Hi, Priya.